Stop comparing yourself. Understand that when it's your time to shine, shine. Like, ball on them. I'm talking about go crazy. 1 + 1 is 5. Like, go crazy when it's your time. What's up, what's poppin'? Hey homeboys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Hi, yes. You see the neck. You see the neck. All I'm gonna say is you see the neck. All right, 6 pounds down, period. But no, hold on, let me fix y'all. Okay, hey y'all, what's up? What's popping? What's popping? I'm feeling so good today. I've had me a fruit smoothie. I've had me a gallon, well, not a gallon, girl, almost a gallon of water. And I just feel so good. Like, oh my God, I feel amazing and I look so good. Do y'all see my neck? I'm so extra, y'all. I crack myself up. But yes, so hey y'all. Before anybody asks, because anytime I go live on Instagram with this wig on, people always say, oh sis, can I get that wig? Can I get that wig? You can get this wig if you email me. It is not on my website. I haven't had time to take quality product photos. These curls are like 1 month old. Yes, 1 month. I do not sleep in my wig, but I've literally had these same curls for 1 whole month. No touch-ups. Okay, but yeah, if you want this wig, you can email me. It is the same price as the Chloe wig. This is a 24-inch. I promise I'm gonna put it on the website as soon as I can. I've just been really busy, and that leads me to my next statement. I told y'all I was gonna be more consistent and I was gonna come on here and talk to y'all and just show you my life, right? So y'all, I don't have time to vlog, but I really wanted to put up a video today. So I'm just going to talk to y'all, in which a lot of y'all say that you really enjoy me running my mouth. So y'all know I can run that all day long, period. But I can really run my mouth. And I really want to talk to y'all about something. But while I'm talking to y'all, I'm going to be slaying this wig right here. I've already flat ironed it because I was just on live with my sis. This right here is, hold on, what is it? Oh, okay. There's a piece of something from my flat iron. Let me get this. Okay, there we go. It's fixed. But yeah, so this is the wig that I'm working on, and my sis wants baby hairs, so I am just about to fleek the front for her. Baby, when I say I sell a Mercedes unit, I sell a Mercedes unit. This is crazy. When I say I make this wig so many times, the girls love it and I love the girls. So I'm gonna give them what they want. But I'm gonna fleek out the baby hairs. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna just be talking to y'all about some things that I really feel like I want to get off my chest and some things that I feel like can help you. So, yeah, let's just get into it, girl. No script, off the dome. First things first, comparing yourself. I see a lot of y'all comparing yourself to other people, comparing yourself to other businesses, other people's, like, their level of success. And I really want y'all to stop doing that, because you just never know where people are in their journey. You may just be starting. You may even be on your first month or your first year. You cannot compare your first year to somebody's year 10. Okay? I think social media is really just, it's really shining a light like it never has before on people's businesses. But behind the scenes, some people have been working before social media was even a thing. And I think it is really detrimental to your business that could one day be one of the biggest businesses in the world. It's detrimental to your success when you sit there and compare yourself all day long. Like, it's really not healthy. You really get to a point where you just feel like, you feel depressed almost, you know? You think you're looking at everybody, and it's, at first it seems like you're motivated, and then you get depressed. If you're feeling like that, my advice to you is to get off of Instagram and TikTok, because that's mainly where I see that type of content, and just get on YouTube and listen to YouTube videos for a while, because YouTube, you can really control what you see. You know, you'll be scrolling Instagram and TikTok, you really can't control. You see what you see. So on YouTube, on the other hand, though, you can control what you see. You just see like videos from the people that you're subscribed to, or, you know, you can search for exactly what you want to watch. So if I could just leave you with one thing in this video, like if you don't learn anything else, I really want you to learn that comparing yourself is just, it's so bad. Like, it's so bad, y'all. Don't do that. You can't compare, you know, 1 year of work to 10 years of work. You can't compare 6 months of work to 5 years of work. So just really try your best to scale back on comparing yourself to other people. Like, use me, use my success, use everything you see me accomplishing, use it as a motivation and understanding. What's the word I'm looking for? Use that as motivation and proof. Use this as proof that you can do it too. Like, I literally started my business from the bottom, okay? I didn't have any influencer friends. I say this all the time because I think some people see me and just be like, oh, well, you're successful because you have this many subscribers on YouTube and this many subscribers on this many followers on Instagram. But the thing is, baby, I started with 0. Nobody shouted me out to get to those numbers. I literally did the work. Don't discredit me, you know, just playing. But for real, I did the work. So doing the work is what gets you there. Like, if I know, child, it's really hard when you see people that say, oh, I did this with all my hard work, and then you see their best friend is like an influencer with 50,000 million followers. It's kind of like, okay, sis, I get where you're coming from, and I'm so proud of you. But at the same time, let's be realistic. You had a friend that gave you a shout out, and that instantly brought you a whole lot of followers. And I'm not mad at that at all, because who wouldn't want that? You know, that is a blessing. Everybody doesn't have that luxury, because that is a luxury. I don't care what nobody says. Everybody doesn't have that luxury. But don't think that only people that have a following can make money. It's not like that you can't make money until you get this amount of followers. You can make money with little to no followers on Instagram. I promise you can. I promise you can. People do not care solely about followers. There are a lot of people like me. I don't care about followers, girl. If I see something I like, I don't care if you have a small amount of followers. If I like it and I want it, you know? So just take that into consideration, because I just know I've been seeing a lot of people compare themselves, and I don't like that, and I think you should stop. And I know it will be beneficial to you if you stop. Okay, so the next thing I want to tell y'all is stop thinking you're not good enough. Stop thinking you are not good enough, because you are. Like, no, for real, you really are. You are. And if you're not the best of the best, it is okay. People love growing with you, girl. When I say they love growing with you, child, I made my first wig that I ever sold. If I could show y'all the baby hairs, I'm gonna try my best to find a picture of it or a video of it and put it right here somewhere. But I showed throwbacks of my work on my Instagram channel too. I mean, on my Instagram page as well, just in case I can't find the video or I forget to put it right here, honestly. But yeah, if I showed y'all that first wig, girl, compared to what I do now, like the work that I offer, like, think about if I would have slept on myself, right? I went from not being the best wig maker to I really have a class that sells extremely well, showing other people how to make wigs. And it's a very beneficial class. Like, literally, I did that, you know? And why, or should I say, how did I do that? I did that because I knew my right then wasn't gonna be my forever. So I knew, okay, I'm not the best, but I'm not the worst. And I'm gonna just keep doing it until I get it right. And what do you know? I got it right. So, same thing I want to tell you is that when you sit there and think that you're not good enough, all you're doing is slowing yourself down. This leads me to my next topic, not starting. Doesn't that sound so crazy? Like, what? Not starting? But yeah, not starting. When I say so many of my sis just won't take the leap to actually start, and I know it's scary. I'm not telling you to quit your job. Like, if you have a job, keep the job so you can have some type of security until your business takes off. But not starting will literally get you nowhere because you never started. So you have to know, like, okay, I've taken this webinar, I've taken this class, I've done this, I've done that. At what point do you tell yourself, okay, it's time I start? You just gotta be real with yourself, sis. Like, that's it. You literally just have to be real with yourself. And when you come to the realization that, okay, I'm gonna start, and you see, like, you'll really see, like, oh, it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I put, opening my business off. I did. But ultimately, I was able to do it. And I'm so thankful that I did. Because my business legitimately changed my life for the better. It really did. It changed my life. So, if you have taken some classes, taken a webinar, especially my sis, like, I know it's some other good classes out there, but if you've taken my webinar, I can only speak about mine because I took mine. I was there teaching mine, so I know. If you took that webinar, I promise if you just do what I said and just be consistent with the information I gave you and apply the information I gave you, you're going to go somewhere. You don't need 1,000 webinars. That's why I don't have a whole bunch of webinars on my website, because at that point, it would just be me continuously making money because I know I can. I have one webinar on my website because I literally taught you everything you needed to know in that one. And I'm not going to contribute to you and your procrastination. That's what I'm not going to do. Because people will be like, oh, okay, I'm going to start when she dropped her next webinar. I'm going to start. No, I already dropped mine. So I'm waiting on you. And girl, a vendor, not having a vendor, we already talked about this. That is not an excuse to not start your business. It's not an excuse. Like I said, you're going to do one of two things. You're going to test you some vendors that you found on your own, or you're going to find you somebody you trust and you're going to purchase their vendors. That's it. That's all. I promise you, it's that simple. It's that simple. Okay, y'all, and this video is not going to be long at all because I'm almost done with these baby hairs that fast. But, yeah, the next thing I want to tell y'all is setting, I'm not even going to say unrealistic, because honestly, anything you can dream, it really can be your reality. But what I would say is, I'll call them like astronomical amounts of money. I feel like a lot of people just set very big goals for themselves, especially like in the beginning phases of their business, and I don't think that that's the best thing to do. I know you see so many people making this, making that every month, every day, in this amount of minutes or whatever, you may see. But at the end of the day, there's nothing wrong with having a $5,000 month. There's nothing wrong with that. Like, in the beginning of your business, $5,000 the first month? Like, what? The average job doesn't pay $5,000 in a month. So it's okay, if you don't make $1 million your first month. I promise, girl, you will survive, okay? Like, you'll be okay if you do not make $1 million in your first month. Just stop expecting so much of yourself so early on. I'm not telling you to not set high expectations for yourself, because, you should. That's how you continuously grow. By saying, you know what, I need to do more, or I want to do more, or I know I can do more. But the problem that I'm seeing is a lot of you all are doing it in the very beginning phases of your business. And you have to learn how to make, $10,000 consistently before a month, consistently before you say you want to make $100,000 every single month, okay? You'll get there, girl. You will get there, and you will appreciate the growth. Allowing yourself to grow at a steady pace, I feel like it's a beautiful thing, because you really get to appreciate, your process, your journey. You get to appreciate it. So yeah, girl. Y'all, I ended up getting a phone call. But child, yeah. All I'm saying is be kind to yourself. Stop comparing yourself. Understand that when it's your time to shine, shine. Like ball on them. I'm talking about go crazy. 1 + 1 is 5. Like go crazy when it's your time. But be kind to yourself in the meantime, because when you plant a seed, the fruit, you don't get the fruit the very next day. When you plant a seed, the fruit takes time, sometimes months to grow. But we're not talking about fruit. We're talking about a business, a brand. You know, we're talking about something way bigger than a piece of fruit. So it's going to take you some time to grow it, but just be kind to yourself in the process, okay? But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much the end of this video. I did finish the wig. This is what the back looks like. I already showed y'all this, but let me zoom in and show y'all what the front looks like. Hold on. This is what the baby hair is looking like. Like I said, I prefer no baby hair, but girl, get baby hair and I'm gonna flick it for you, period. That's just that on that. So yeah, I'm in love. Like I always say, the part is actually perfect, but it's the mannequin is just a little, you know, she done been through some things, but she's still in good condition, so we're gonna keep her. But yes, this is it. I am in love, y'all. I named this wig after me because long black hair with a middle part is just forever going to be that girl. So yep, I'm about to go ahead and pack this wig up, move on with my day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and I will talk to you in my next video. Call y'all later. Bye.